As I mentioned at the start of the bulletin, a number of crashes took place across the island at the weekend, and we begin in St. Elizabeth, where a man narrowly escaped death during an accident in the parish. Now, reports are that at about 7:45 a.m., the driver of a grey Nissan motorcar, which was traveling from Holland Bamboo towards Tombstone, was turning onto the Rice Peace Road when it crashed into a light pole. The driver, who sustained injuries, was removed from the car by residents and taken to hospital. He is said to be in stable condition. The mishap also left some residents without electricity.
The bike man a flag him down and I don't know if every man just in a year's hour, I don't know. Because I this road him come in and the bike man, then why he not slow me speed? I don't know come from.
When him do some man girl no drive brake, the car slide. So it's like this slide now end up coming in the water, dash him in the post.